Today we'll be planting the plantain, and the little twins insisted that they are in charge of this one. My job was simple: locate the spot. And then I just started to dig and dig and dig, all while Farmer Eden thinks about their future. When we saw that it was okay, Farmer Eden hauled their plantain sucker over, insisted she don't want no help, and dropped it in herself. But what? The hole was too small, and the four women looked on and said, no man, we need to dig some more. So the little ones took up the plantain and I got back digging. Fill this up now, fill her up, fill her up.
The ring.
The ring drop again?
Yeah. Put some around the other side.
My ring.
And that was Zara losing her ring in the dirt. Luckily she found it, and luckily I never lost mine. And after making the final checks, it was high fives all around.
2, 3. Plantain tree.
Washing up time now, so later.